Welcome back. So last week we learned about print functions and also input functions. This video will be discussing about fundamental data types. Data types are the classifications or categorizations of data items. Data types represent a kind of value which determines what operations can be performed on that data. We have a numeric, non-numeric, and Boolean or true or false or data are most used data types. The first is integer or int. It is a positive or a negative whole numbers without a fractional part. Example, x equals 20 and y equals 12. Number 2 is a float or any real numbers with a floating point representation in which a fractional component is denoted by a decimal symbol or scientific notations. For example, x equals to 20.25 and y is equals to 0.12. Number 3 is Boolean or Bool. It's a Boolean data with one of two built-in values, which is true or false. Example, x is equals to true and y is equals to false. Number 4 we call as sequence type, which is the string or str. It is a string value, is a collection of one or more characters put in a single, double, or triple quotes. Example, x equals to welcome to EP, and well, one more room. Let's say we're gonna choose room is equals to Matthew 6. Next, number 5, we call as another sequence type is a list or a list. A list object is an ordered collections of one or more data items, not necessarily of the same type. It uses square brackets. Example, x equals to use the open brackets and then double quotes, apples, and then we have to separate with a comma and another items, banana. So it's inside also with a double quotes, and we have to separate the items with double quotes again, and orange. So we have 3 items inside the list: apples, banana, and orange. Number 6 is tuple, same as list, and tuple is an ordered collections of one or more data items, not necessarily of the same type, and it uses a parenthesis. So unlike a list, they use a angle bracket. So example, we're gonna use x is equals to same also. We're gonna use a parenthesis, double quotes, and apples is the items. We have to separate with comma, and another items, banana, separate by comma using double quotes, and orange. So they are the same as with the list, but the different is the brackets and parentheses. Number 7 is it is used for mapping. Okay, we call as a dictionary or a dict. A dictionary is an object in an unordered collections of data using a key and value. Okay, we have separate with colon value. It is a pair form. A collection of such pairs is enclosed in a curly brackets. Example, we're gonna use x is equals to we're gonna use the curly brackets and open and close, and I'm gonna use age. Age is a key, and because age is a string, so I'm gonna use double quotes separated by colon, and age 36. So 36 is a value, and we have to separate again. So another item is like a name. Name is a key again, separated by colon, and the value is Dennis. Because name and Dennis both are str, so we have to use double quotes. And lastly, number 8, we call a set. So a set is a collection of data types in Python also, same as the list and tuple. However, it is not ordered collections, while the list and tuples are unordered collections. So we're gonna use the example as x is equals to apples, banana, and orange. And in the set, it uses a curly bracket. So that's a difference. So with the list, as list and tuple. So for the list and tuple, they're using a bracket, angle bracket, and parentheses, while in set, we use the curly brackets. So these are the fundamental data types, and hope that you understand all of this. And don't worry, we will discuss that later on. But in the next video, we will gonna focus on the numeric data types, which is the int and the floats. See you on the next video. Bye.